Welcome back to Serenity, and today I have Itel over here. I'm gonna show you how to go about it, and let's just get started. We have Itel A31, and we need to bypass it. Very simple. Connect to one of your Wi-Fi. Already connected to one of mine. You can see, and checking info. So now what to do, we go back, and please you need to have your SIM card inside your phone so that you go through it. You go back like this one, and go to emergency calls over here, and you click up there here, and you this pen you click on it. Now you go to contacts and you add contact. You say you can add any contacts you want. Let me even add this one, and you click. After adding, you click it like this one, and go to share. So as for myself, I'll share using sender, and the reason I'm doing that because I've already go to sender, and so this is sender. Now already sent the documents. I have the documents over here. These files, I'll provide the link so that you can download, but meanwhile if you like you can download them. So you click on this icon like this, and you install. Now if we open it, you can go down by searching Google Account Manager. If it is not there, you search for OOB. Go back to install something called remote one APK. So let's install it. Okay, done. Then install quick shortcut again. Open it. Go to settings. Go to Wi-Fi. security. Activate and go back. Go to apps, show system, search for Google Play services. So Google Play services, this one, disable, then go to disable Google Play Store, and then now go back. Now go to account, you go to Google, so from here you can add any account you want. Add account you want, like I'll add mine, and you put your own password. Put your password. So after adding your mail, you agree. Now after that, you go to apps again, and those apps that we did disable here, enable them once again. Now we enable them, enable all. Now go back, and now you can restart your phone. Restart your phone after enabling the one that we disable. Now we restart our phone, reboot. Please watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment if you like. And now we just go start again, new. I hope you like the video, and please, if you do, kindly subscribe for more videos. And if you like, you may watch some of my previous videos. And thanks for the support. Give the video thumbs up. Checking network and adding some few touches. And now it's all added. Go to next. So those softwares that we did install back then, I already had them in my phone, in the phone, and if you like, I'll provide the link where you can get them and you install. You can keep, you need to have a memory card to insert inside the phone, so that you just follow the step that I did and install them. And if you like the video, thanks. Please watch till the end, because the just last part here, you see, you, if you like, not now, you skip, checking some info, and now we can continue. Now we are here, but if you look at up here, there's something clicking, this one, you can see that. So for you to fix this, you'll have to go and back reset your phone, and after that all will be good. So we go to settings. We are trying to solve this flicking thing that is flicking over here, this one. So you go to your back reset here. This is back reset. You back reset everything. Just reset your phone. Now after resetting, it will not require any of the Google account. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Just reset your phone and go follow the same step, and all will be well. If you watch the video till the end, all your problem will be done. So it will take some time. Let me just pause the video and please wait. Now we're here on the start screen. Let's go. You agree? Yes. You cannot use any network for now. Just proceed, continue. Now next, next. Now your problem is solved. Even if you slide the screen, there's no that flicking that was flicking back previously, and now we are done. You can see your phone is now working very well. And please subscribe for the channel, for the support and everything that you're doing. If you like the video, give us a thumb up, and please, goodbye for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and some other upcoming videos I'll keep on posting you guys. And thanks for the support. Bye. Thank you.